Hey guys, today we have this 2005 Honda Pilot, and I'll show you what's the obvious problem that we had. As you can see, I have this wedge here because, okay, I kind of ruined that one. So this is a personal car. This is my car. As you can see that? Not supposed to be like that. Somebody broke it.
Me?
Who broke it?
Me.
Oh, you did it?
Yes.
Yeah. My son, I don't know if he broke it or not, but we're gonna go ahead and replace it. And I think it's the track inside. So let's go ahead, open it, and let's get started. All right, guys. Okay, so we ordered. I only ordered it from Amazon, and with this, you just actually just put the year, model, and let's try to open that one. Year, model, and make sure it says the driver's side rear window motor or regulator. That's what I believe it said motor, and that's what's should be the right one. Let's go ahead and check what it looks like first before we actually take it apart, because sometimes they'll give you the wrong one. And either way, I don't even know if it fits right. Sometimes it's a different one, but looking at it, and I've never had a problem with Amazon with these little things like this. So okay, so that's, let me see if I can move it. So what would happen is maybe this one is, that one is bad. It broke from this whole piece, so we're gonna replace that track. The motor is connected to it, so hopefully it fits perfectly. Let's go ahead, go to the car and take it apart and put it in. All right, guys, so first let's see how we're gonna take this apart. By looking at it, I know there's one in this. Let's try that one, and there's some couple ones down here. Let me see. Oh no, not much. So there's one here, you can see it. So those two, let's remove those two first, and then I know they will be able to pop out. All right, let's go ahead first, pry this. I got a flat screw right here. Apply from the bottom to top. There you go. And do not lose it. Right here. Put it in the side, and there's actually two Phillips screw there. So that's, get that. Let's put it in the side. Yeah. Let's see. Once you get them out, alright, that's out. Let's see. Don't lose that and don't break it. Okay, I'll trap it. Make sure you don't lose that screws when you need that. So that's out. And let's go ahead, remove the one down here. I know it's a Phillips as well. Let's see. Yeah, so that one is, there you go. All right. Be careful, buddy. Yeah, I'll let my son play there. I'm working. Okay, so that's out. Let's try it and pull it from here, from the bottom. So I'll put my hand down here. Put that one there. It should be able to pull out. from the bottom. I would just kind of yank it out. I think I'll probably hold this here. Let's see. Is there another one? I don't see anything on the side, so I'm pretty sure there will be just a clip there. So let me get this. See that? There you go. You hear it? So you have that. Then you're gonna keep prying the tabs. You're gonna help me?
Don't get tired.
Thank you.
Don't get hot.
Okay, that's out, and then let's fill it. Excuse me, buddy.
Sit out here.
Oh, it's gonna be tough. Okay,
Out here.
what you gonna do?
So we get out again.
Oh, get out the sound. All right, let's get this position and let's remove that. So I have it out, and I want to make sure if there's nothing else holding it here and here, and looks like that's good here. And I don't see anything except for this one. So let's go ahead. This one has those little clip. You see the green one there? We're gonna pry that in. I'll show you if I can pry it real quick. I can show you right there. Let me see if I can show it better here. All right, let's. If you see that handle there, if you open it, see that? So go ahead, push that in. If I can show you a little bit better. Holding the tab, there you go. Push the end that came out. So remove that on the side, and then now we can remove the whole piece. Excuse me, Jairus. Thank you. Okay, and then now I should be able to come out. More out here. That's it. Then same thing here. Then it should go up, pull up. Unless there's another one here. Excuse me, bud. Your head is in the way. You're in the way, buddy. Inside? Okay. Don't touch anything, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
At least something. I took something.
Okay, something else is holding. I think I have to pry this out here. So let's go ahead, open this. We'll see what's inside. Remove this. If there's any more screw. Oh yeah, I see another one. So there's some. Then let's go ahead and remove this cup holder where the button at. Just lift it up like that. And then there's one hiding here. As you can see, that one over there. The screw, see that? Right there. It's hiding there. There's one there, we need to remove it. Yeah, that one is holding it. I'll try to pry it up, but it's still holding. So don't yank it right away. If you're not sure, just be careful. Can you stay inside, please? Thank you. Yeah, my son here is like trying to help me. Let me see. See. Hey man, how's it going? What's next? You gonna help me? What's next? Yeah, he's gonna help me. Say hey to Jairus right here. Camera right here. Say hi. You helping me? Yeah, okay. That's what I need now. Next is remove this connector here. Remove it.
This one? I need this. This one?
Which one?
This.
Let me see. Put it back over there.
Put this one?
Which one do you need?
This one?
Do we need that one? Yes, I guess so. But this one can remove now. See? Now I can remove it easy.
Got it.
You got it? You holding that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it heavy?
No.
Okay. Good
It's
job.
so
Then
small.
that's it. Then going down. Rolling down. That's it. I got it. We'll put it this way.
I move it.
You gonna move too? Okay.
I hold it, Dad.
Thank you. Put it down. Put it down.
I got it.
You got it. Can you put it down?
I hold it.
Thank you. Put it down there. Thank you. All right, that's done. Then now we're gonna go to the track. You go inside again?
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Put up.
I hope you last night.
Thank you. All right, so now let's go ahead open this. Be careful. This is sticky, gluey glue
Yeah.
that he has. As you can see, it's not dried up. So we're gonna remove that. Do not put that in your shirt or anything that it's very sticky and it won't be able to come out on your shirt. So that's why I have my gloves on. Just gonna remove that slowly. Same as this one. Right here. Just gonna put it down. So, what was that? Something jump.
That one?
Yeah, it's okay. So here we go. You got it exposed now. Okay. So if you're looking at our window, that should be up, but it's not. It's keep falling down. See that? Let's see what happened here. Yeah, the whole piece is broken. So we have a couple bolts they need to remove from here. Let me show you guys. So you have 2 bolts here and here for the window motor. Remove that. Remove, this is like 10 millimeter. I'm pretty sure there's another one that's for the track that goes down here. Remove the bottom side. I'm gonna try this one here. Alright, just leave it there, please. And open this. I know there's another 2 bolts there, so we can remove the track. There you go. See that? That's what we need to remove. 2 here, 2 there, and 2 at the bottom. Let's get a socket. And so if you look at it, this one here, the new one, that's a 2 bolt goes there, 2 bolt goes here, and this 3 bolts. All right, so we got those bolts out. The one on the bottom here, that's out. That is out. That's out. This one, you just loosen them because it can go out to those holes. So let's see if we can remove them. Well, let me see. I have to loosen them first. See that? I don't think I'm doing that. So loosen them. Loose that one too, and that's loose. So that should come out. Like that. That's the motor is out. And the track, you just put your hand back here, and that should come out as well. And let's see if I have enough room to put my hand there. And the easiest way to do it is lift the whole window up first. That's why it has to be in the up position. Once that in the up position, there you go, and then you can put your hand back here. As you can see the track here. You can just, before you remove that out, see the screw here for the window glass? You have to align it in a certain distance, like put it down a little bit. Let me see if you can go down now. See all the wires? It's bad, tangled. So you gotta align it here so you can remove those. Let's see if you can go down. All right, so next, make sure the window is like halfway, so you'll see those 2 bolts that hold the glass itself. Remove that so separate the glass to the track. Then we can pull out the track. All right, so we got the bolts out for that. Then if you hold, let's see, the window up, and the track should clamp out. There you go. So that will be able to remove the whole piece. That includes the whole motor. But also with that motor, as you can see, there's a connector here. You have to disconnect that, so we can disconnect that, and let's use this. Should come out. Same thing as this one. Does come out, and that goes together. Snake it in there. We can use those clips again, but for now, let's go ahead and remove the whole. Let's see, the whole track be able to move out freely. Let's see. Here, just have to manage how to get it out. I think this one need to pull out. There's a little clip there. You just push it. There you go. Then push your other hand. That's out. There you go, guys. Alright, and let's drop it there for now. Drop the window glass. Let's see what it looked like. Compare it with what happened here. Alright, so let's compare. This is the old one we have. See how all of these are, that's broken. From here, that's attached. It should be short like this, and their feet on this track. And this one is okay, as you can see, it's gone. This one is still there. So that thing is, this is really bad. So I could probably like fix it, put it up, but it's cheaper to buy the whole piece. And this has those little clips. This have the clips. I'm fine with that. So I don't have to remove that. All right, let's go install it. Should be the same. The only thing that you gotta be worried about is when you install it. This has, you gotta plug this in and make sure this is the proper height where you can see to the hole. All right, let's get it. All right, let's go ahead and put it in. We put one bolt right here in the top, the track. Remove the one on the left bottom of this motor. Leave those two. So same thing, putting it up. Make sure that the window is up, so you'll be able to fit it. Okay, let's put this in. So right now I'm leaning it with my head. So let's put that. Let's try if I can put it with the bottom. Feed the bottom first. There you go. And then we're just gonna flip this around the motor like this. Right here. There you go. And then that should drop down. This whole track will drop down, and make sure that you put it in this hole here, that one with the bolt. Let's see. Window has high enough so you can fit it. Okay, now I dropped it. So be careful about that. Let's see. You're gonna find the hole. Where is it? There you go. It's coming. Found it. See that one? That's in. So that's in. Just for the top of the track. Then we're gonna get the motor. see if I can find the motor. Use my right hand. Let's go ahead. Let's it goes in. Okay, we have, let me see, 1, 2. Let me see if it'll fit there. That's in. Can you see it? Okay, that's both in. See that? So we got this two with the motor in, and that is the truck there is somehow in. Okay, and then we can go ahead and put the rest of the bolt for that, but don't tighten it yet. Just go ahead and install that. Install the one here, there, and the one on the bottom. Then we go to the class. Okay, so I got this bolt in for the track. It's not tight, it's just like hand tight. The motor is fine, you can tighten them, and make sure you feed out the wire. That's not pinching anything, so you feed it there, and then we'll go ahead. I can go ahead put this back here. There. Make sure it's in. Okay, then we can go ahead and connect that one because we're gonna need the power, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So make sure the bottom is screwed down too. All right, so that's good, but we're still missing the this is the window glass is not connected to the track yet. So you can see right there, that's where you put the screws. But if you look straight, it's not, you can't even reach it. So what you're gonna do is turn on the ignition and raise this, because now we're connected. Go ahead, this one, in this way you can try to test that the motor, the new motor you have is working, and then you should lift it up a little bit just for us to be able to be aligned with this hole. All right, let's do that. All right, let's go ahead, turn on the car, just on position. You have to start it, make sure it's on. All right, so we turn on the car. I think we have to like connect this at least. Let's go ahead, connect this here. Go ahead. There you go. And let's see if it goes up. There you go. It's going up. So at least we know it goes up. Let me see. Up. See that? And down. It's good. Then make sure you look at these holes. Make sure it's aligned. There you go. As long as you can see that hole, and you'll be able to put these bolts that you removed for the old one. So go ahead, install it there. That's all we need to do. And then you still don't tighten it, just install it. All right, so once that installed, I haven't fully tightened it yet. What I'm going to do is, let's move this, go up and fully down. So up, then all the way down. So that way we got it in the track perfectly. It's not like crooked. That's how you like calibrate it. See, and then go back to that position where you can see those bolts. Then go ahead, tighten it. Tighten that one. And go ahead, tighten this one. So those are tight. That's, and the same way. Now we're gonna go up again, fully up. Then let's go ahead and tighten these, like snug tight the track, so we know it's in a good position track. Same thing, it's kind of like making sure it's not too tight or too loose on when you move the window glass. So let's go ahead, tighten that one quick. What happened?
nuts.
Okay, 1 second. Then let's go ahead, put it there. Same thing in the bottom side. Can you stay there, please? Then this one on the bottom. And then, okay, can you help me? All right, can you press this one?
Huh?
Can you press this button? This one, this button. Going down, please. Okay, let's press it all the way down. Okay, then tight this one. Let's go ahead and tight it. The top. Then go up again. Let's press it up. Can you press it up, please? Pull up, pull up. All the way up. Yeah, all the way up. Oh. Okay, I fixed it. Then go ahead. Tighten that bottom for the track. Double check your work. Then time to put it back together. Okay, so that's all good. We're gonna put everything back together. Remove this one, and that should be done. All right, so that's pretty much done, guys. So, but let me go ahead put everything back. Let me just disconnect this. Make sure you put this together to connect it, so you can control it for the main switch. If not, you won't be able to control it. And check everything with your work. Everything is good. You can put back this covering right here and make sure this is out like that. And this for the locking mechanism is out. So right there. And that still stays sticky. This one here is still out here. That's good. Alright, and same thing on the bottom side. Make sure it's sealed. That's good. Then put this back. The next thing we're gonna do is to go ahead and put the panel back. Before you put the panel back, make sure you check all the tabs that you have are still there. 1, 2. Everything is there, so everything is good. So let's see what this is about. Yeah, everything is good, so then you can go ahead and put this back. Yes, I'll put it back, buddy. My son's asking me. You love you too, buddy.
You are the best dad.
What's that? I can hear you. What? Louder.
You are the best.
I'm the best?
Yeah,
Thank you.
You are the best. You are the best car maker.
Oh, I'm the best car maker?
Yeah.
Thank you, buddy.
I'm
All right.
I want to give you a motor troll.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Let me finish this, buddy. All right, let's get this. Yeah, that's how we are. So I'm the best car maker. Okay, put that back in, and don't forget the what you call this? You need to make sure that you have these here sticking out still, the latch, so you can reach it. And this has to catch on the top of this. Make sure you put the top side first and down, and that's sticking out. So that's good. Then we go ahead and push the tabs in. You'll hear it. Let's see. There you go. And that's good. And then make sure you still have the connector in here. And go ahead, install the screw. I believe that goes in there. That silver one goes there. Let's hold it. Okay. Then we have another one that goes in under here, if you remember it. And this one sometimes is tough because if it's not centered, you won't be able to install it properly. There you go. It went in. And yeah, sometimes it's hard time to align that because it's pretty deep. You can't reach it. And but those two are the important one because they're pretty big screw and it holds this. When you pull this, the tabs will come out if those are not installed. So make sure you're in, right? Then you can go ahead and put this cup holder and that switch. Make sure you connect the connector and it clicks. Then that one. Go top first. Then let's see. Top side should go in first. Like that. There you go. That top first. There you go. Then now we're gonna put this latch. Remember, it goes to the hole and then they should lock it. Let's see if I can show you guys a better view. There you go. Yeah, it doesn't have much room here, but as you can see, put that in first. Put that in the hole. So I would probably use my flat screwdriver to push it down. There you go. Once it's fully in, there you go. And then I'm gonna flip that green lock. You must put that, if not, it's gonna come out every time you open it. Right here. Flip it over. And then if you need to push more down, there you go. Then that's it. Right there, that's lock. Then you can go ahead, push that in, and then go ahead install those small screw. Charles, what happened to the other small screw, please? Where did you put it? Just go ahead, screw it here. This one there. Let me see. Hold on, because Gyro's been playing with that screw. Where did you put it? Gyro, where did you put it? Oh, right here. Found it. Yeah, I can see it was playing there. Go ahead. And this one, we have to open that just to access it. Alright, that should be it, guys. And then let's go ahead, put the tab here. This one goes from the bottom, I believe. The cover goes from the bottom, then up. That's it, guys. And let's just double check our work. Alright, guys, so that's pretty much it. This one works. Make sure everything works. Even you see that line's good, it's not shaky. If you lock it, we'll see if you open it, but this is not. Let's try lock. Yeah, let's see if we can. That's the lock, but let's see if I can test it. Let's close the door. Open. Jairus, can you open the door for me? No, he doesn't want to. He's playing with his iPad. Anyway, if I go here, close the door, and it opens, that's good. And now we're gonna turn on the car. There you go. And test it. There you go, guys. That's wonderful, wonderful. It's a little slow to go up. Maybe you need to realign it, but that's fine with me. I'm gonna clean the glass and everything is good. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and that's how you fix the window motor problem for this door. And till next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Jared, say bye. All right. Thank you, guys.